Track weather alert days in effect tonight into early tomorrow morning as I'm tracking the threat for some strong storms. Likely going to see widespread storms after midnight that'll continue into the overnight hours. The main concerns will be 60 to 70 mile per hour winds and quarter-size hail. Can't rule out a tornado, but the main threat is likely going to be heavy rain and wind as these storms get going. Already starting to see some of that development across far northern Missouri. That could track into some of our far northern counties, but most of it is going to hold off until late tonight, developing along this front as winds start to pick up in the lower levels of the atmosphere tonight. That will surge in a lot more moisture, meaning we could even see some heavy rainfall amounts, especially across the northern portions of mid-Missouri. Here's what our future track looks like. We'll have that chance for an isolated shower or storm through about midnight, and then after that, storms continue to push in from the north and spread across just about the entire area, becoming less severe by the time we get to around 5 or 6 a.m., but leaving us with about an inch of rain as these storms continue to work their way out. We are left with cloudy skies through much of early Friday afternoon, then some cooler temperatures by late afternoon. Here's a breakdown for this evening. We're at a level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk across most of the area, and that means we're going to be looking for the threat of strong winds and large hail and possibly some isolated heavy rain in some spots. Tonight we're dropping down to about 74, so we're not cooling down too much even with the influence of rain, but cloud cover should keep us right around 90 degrees tomorrow. The heat index staying in the mid-90s thanks to a lot of that cloud cover, and we'll finally start to see some lower humidity for the weekend. Temperatures, though, still make it up to about 90 degrees on either day. The humidity is not as bad on Monday, but it's still going to feel like about 100 degrees as our air temperature gets up to about 98. Likely going to need a weather alert day for Tuesday as the heat index climbs above 105. We're staying in that low 100-degree range for Wednesday. So it is going to continue to be hot despite the lower humidity over the weekend. We'll stay in the lower 90s, topping out in the upper 90s to around 100 for early next week.